Hello, welcome to American School of English Language. Guys, today in this video we will talk about correlative conjunction just as so, and we will discuss all its uses. So let's proceed. We use just as so to indicate that two elements being joined are similar. That elements being joined are similar. That's why we use just as to so. Usually just as begun an independent clause and so is followed by another independent clause. So basically they join two independent clauses. That's what you need to remember when we use just and so, that they join only two independent clauses. Traditionally the clause after so should be inverted I mean in interactive state, as in, let's see, just as I love film, so does my brother love sports. So the both elements are similar. So this is an independent clause, this is an independent clause. Okay, okay. Yeah, this is also an independent clause. So here is so. So we will use comma here. And this is interactive state. Interactive because when the pick, yeah, just as so join two independent clauses, and the second independent clause will be in negative inversion, like does. Let's begin with does. Let's see some more examples. Just as Americans love baseball, so do Europeans love soccer. So this is an independent clause. To European law, the both elements are similar. So here we will use comma here to separate them. So let's take another example. Just as French is spoken in France, so is English. So is English spoken in English. So this is independent clause. This is an independent clause. Here we'll use comma to separate them, and we will use the second clause as negative inversion. Mean this one here, like this one. Just as John is diligent in his work, so is Sarah hardworking in her work. So both elements are similar here. This is again independent clause. An independent clause. So we will use comma here to separate them. And second clause will be in negative inversion. So that's it, guy. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel so you could receive weekly updates about my channel. Thank you very much.